Guten Tag everyone. Today is 18th October 2020. It is 6:21 a.m. I woke up, I brushed, I prayed. About to go and eat now and I'm running kind of late. I'll meet you at the trails. Jerseys are in stock, so I have to give you Savio his jersey. He forgot to take it last week. Okay, so we are at the trail. What time is it? Say 7 o'clock, 7:38. What is it? 8:30. Okay, 8:30. So boom, we are making the jump. But for that, I've brought my bike so I can test how much speed can get, and where we should build the jump to, and how much we can jump, and then somewhere like that. Boom. Isn't that right, Savio? Bro.
Ah, he takes the up. Ooh. Okay, take number 10. And just so that you all know, we are not sponsored by Dulux paint. That's just a bucket we have. This thing. Okay, this is a random.
So abhi we are. This was not like the best entry. We are correcting that. Savio is covering up the stones, and then I'm building here. Piche I'm digging so that we can start building a jump after this somewhere here. Usually I'd put songs here in the time lapse, but this time I like to do something different, trying something new. Here Savio is shaping up the bomb while I dig. Now we discuss the curvature and height of the bomb and how the jump and how the bomb will transition into the jump. Once we finish discussing that, I am collecting rocks and dried and fallen off branches as a base for the jump, while Savio puts them in place and does the brains part of the process. We took a bit of a break. Now, so Savio did the berm thing. I collected stones. I collected roots. I dug up the. किधर है? Yeah, I dug up the ditch. And now, so after Savio finishes laying the soil on, I will dig it again. Here, Savio collects the soil and puts it on the jump while I dig the soil. This is the final layer we put on the jump. But this is the second last part of the process. The final part of the process is patting the jump down and making sure there is no air in it so that we have a solid surface to jump from. Wide angle lens, bro. Does your phone have a wide angle lens?
Yeah.
Damn boy. Okay. So, Baron, and we've made the jump.
Very helpful. Awesome tool.
Thank you, Nanima. So, either we've jumped and we've connected the jump. We wanted it to look like this picture will be here, and we have tried to. And I will now run this over and see where I land. So,
More here, thoda.
okay, we'll do some touch-ups. I'll do some runs so I can gauge where I land and where to build the other bomb.
Okay.
Trail bike. This. It comes loose. shit bro. Pashan Jam में ना the front was coming loose.
क्या हो रहा
Always,
है?
every day.
Where is it moving? Is it?
I don't know where it is moving, but it is loose. Is it the bearing or is it the axle? Fuck bro.
Oh yeah, you'll have to tighten this. Oh yeah, there's those lock nuts होता है इसमें.
Right?
वो tight करना पड़ता है.
That's it, right? Can you do that?
No, but I don't think you can do that with just with the hands.
Do I have to go to chain pullers again?
You need that spanner.
I don't want to go to chain pullers again, bro. It's
You
7
have-
kilometers.
You have a spanner.
Which kind? I have all kind of spanners, yes.
So once you remove your wheel out, there'll be a nut over here. Those
देखते
are
यार देखते.
yeah.
So मेरे घर पे can you help me out with this?
So those are the preset. वो थोड़ा खराब हो गया रहेगा.
Now मैं So you saw the previous runs. इधर आके okay, so when you come from here, इधर jump, and then if you're carrying good speed and are comfortable with the feature, you land somewhere here near this tree. Either. So then we are thinking of starting the bomb here, but actually starting direction change here, time for setup, and then we will follow this line. Either. We come to Savio, and then the good thing is there is potential for one more feature like this, either, and then we can continue the trail. I haven't explained where this trail is exactly. No, not like that. But the hill ka, the Instagram pe I put na, that one. Okay, so this is not in the temple trail. This is not in the flow trail. There will be a rough not to scale map here, and I'll circle which. Savio fetches rocks while I dig. Once I'm finished digging, I fetch rocks too. Both of us are doing the same job due to the sheer length of this berm. We took a 23-minute break. Now this is dig. There's soil here. We cannot find enough rocks to make it as heighted as that one. So we're going to for now put soil on top and then scrape this side. Oh fuck bro, you're digging full on. Point is, groove should not be there. Grooveless berm we have to make. I dig while Savio collects the soil and puts it in place on top of the rocks. Sir Savio is tired here. I'm also tired. So we're leaving this. It's about what 11, 12. It's 12 right now. आधा हो गया है, barely. आधा बाकी है, full. We're going. Next week we're going to do landing because once landing is done, अपना jump का flow trail will be sorted. Then we can stop worrying about that and we can build this trail. Yeah, we need more people. Please join. Comments में लिखो if you want to join. I'll give you way.
Look at my sad eyes.
And join. Okay, that is going thumbnail. Thank you. Savio, always Savio. There's some opportunity for thumbnail. ठीक है? Yeah, I'm not going to practice this अभी.
Not ready practice करने के लिए.
Landing के बाद we can continue this and आगे we can build. Abhi you have to go down the hill, go home. I have to edit this.
And crash.
I have to edit now. You crash. I have to edit. I hope my battery stays on. That is it for the video, guys. Remember, the jerseys link is in description. It is out now. And I will see you next week Sunday 6 p.m. Peace.